Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the data you want analyzed. Include header rows so results label correctly. Once selected, press Ctrl+Q or click the small Quick Analysis button that appears at the ranges corner. You'll see 6 categories: formatting, charts, totals, tables, sparklines, and pivot table, based on your data type. Make sure Excel interprets numbers and dates correctly. If not, convert text to number or date format first, then reopen the panel to access relevant quick actions. Next, choose a category and hover each option to preview changes live in your sheet. This helps you compare without committing. You can apply a chart, table, or totals row with one click. Once applied, customize styles from home or chart design to fit your needs. If you added a table, use table design to toggle totals, banded rows, or filters. Once done, make sure to adjust ranges and formats so labels, number formats, and axes read correctly for viewers. To finish, review the applied changes and polish labels, number formats, or chart titles so your output communicates clearly. If something looks off, undo with Ctrl+Z, then correct the source cells. Convert text numbers to numeric, remove stray blanks, or set consistent date formats, and reapply the Quick Analysis choice. For complex summaries, choose Pivot Table from the panel and drag fields to rows and values. If previews still mislead, check for merged cells, unmerge them, and repeat the quick action to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.